Honey ho. Wake up, bird. Gather your things and leave before noon. One of the women in this shelter told me yesterday that you had sexually assaulted her. You can't be here anymore.
What? I did no such thing. Who gave you this false accusation?
For the sake of her safety, I can't say.
It was Gorda, wasn't it? She's hated me ever since she came across me embracing her sister. But that was a misunderstanding, and she lied to you. Never would I, savior of troubled maidens Birdliff, ever force myself upon a lady.
The veracity of her claim doesn't matter. Everybody in this shelter has wanted you gone since the day you came here. You will leave this place by noon, or the police will escort you out.
But why? What have I done to deserve such hatred?
Exist.
I beg you to reconsider. I have no home, no job, no money, no family, and no friends. Nobody wants to hire me, and I have been rejected from or kicked out of every other homeless shelter in this city. What will happen to me if you forcibly remove me from this sanctuary?
I don't care. Go become a prostitute or something.
Never. I have dignity, even in this wretched state.
You've never had any dignity. You were born a contemptible loser and will die a contemptible loser.
This is abominable. I refuse to leave this shelter. Your basis for my expulsion is unconscionable.
Then I'll have to make you leave. Police honey. What's the matter? Kill Birdliff.
Yes, Sil, Your touch and technique are splendid. Every single aspect of you is splendid. Even in this profound darkness, your beauty shines brighter than 1,000 brilliant stars. Sil? The intensity of your passion for me is delightful, but I would like you to slow down. You are beginning to hurt me.
But you like it, bitch.
What?
Now spread that bussy further for me.
Holy Mother of God.
Oh, you're awake. That's pretty surprising. And just in time too, because I was about to cut off your life support.
Huh? What's going on? Where am I?
You're at Merkava Hospital, and you just woke up from a 2-week coma. You were found lying in a pool of your own blood with severe injuries. It's a miracle you didn't die.
Rance. That wicked blackguard. He ran me over with his car, then sliced and stabbed my defenseless body.
Wow, that's horrible. Anyway, now that you've woken from your coma, it's time for you to get discharged.
This soon? I've just woken up from a coma.
Quick help, then quick discharge is one of Merkava's policies. By the way, what's your name and where do you live? We have next to no information about your identity.
My name is Birdliff, and I am unfortunately homeless.
Do you at least have a source of income?
I apologize, but no. I have no identifying documents either.
Well, whatever. Don't worry about having to pay any medical bills, because the hospital will be doing that for you. You'll be discharged in 20 or so minutes.
Could you please allow me to stay here for a little bit longer? Or find an out-of-city homeless shelter to send me to?
No.
Hey you, man with the blue hair. You seem dejected. What appears to be troubling you?
Where do I even begin? I am homeless, jobless, moneyless, loveless, familyless, friendless, and I just woke up from a 2-week coma that had been caused by my arch-nemesis, who had hit me with his car and then mutilated me with his sword. Right before that, I had been kicked out of the only homeless shelter in this city that had accepted me because everyone there, including the staff, had hated me, and one of them, my ex-girlfriend, had falsely accused me of rape.
That's horrific. You are an extremely misfortunate man. Luckily, I have a job for you, and it also comes with free housing.
Truly?
Yes. If you accept my offer, you will work as a translator for a video game publishing company that specializes in English translations of erage and Japanese visual novels.
I cannot thank you enough for your charity, mister. Of course I'll accept your offer. But I have to ask, what are erage?
Japanese erotic games.
Oh my.
Getting cold feet.
Of course not. I was just surprised is all. I'll still take the job.
Good boy. You'll start tomorrow. I'll discuss the rest of the necessary details with you at the Starbucks on the next street. It'll be on me, of course.
Am I obligated to translate this game?
Yeah. You won't be allowed to choose which translations to work on until after you've finished at least 10 projects.
But the idea of translating this game specifically is profoundly dreadful.
How come? Rance is a great series, and 5D should be easy and quick to translate.
But Rance, he is a wicked, wicked man.
So what? He isn't real. He's just a fictional character.
He is real. And he has committed countless unspeakable crimes against me and myriad innocent maidens.
Are you okay?
No, I am not okay. The magnitude of the suffering I have been experiencing ever since I first met that cruel beast is immeasurable.
You are clearly deeply mentally unwell, so I'll just leave you alone.
No. I am perfectly sane. How dare you cast me as a madman, you ugly whore? You think I don't know how you got this job? Women don't know how to translate.
Good lord, this occupation attracts so many freaks. Archer?
Please, don't hurt me. You deserve to be hurt.
I deeply regret my hot-headed, childish outburst toward that lady. I'll make sure to apologize to her after this break. Do you work here? I haven't seen you before.
If you want to live, you will come quietly with me, Bird Liffey.
Who are you? What do you want with me?
I am a hero of justice. Or I used to be. Now I only want to kill.
You've chosen the wrong man to threaten. I am a warrior. I won't go down without a fight. Hey! Let me go. What is it that you want from me anyway?
You are a vital component of the ritual we will be creating.
Ritual? And what do you mean, we?
I am a component of a group that will save the world.
What? Good God, you are a lunatic. And why does this ritual need me specifically?
You don't need to know. Now shut up.
Somebody please help me. I have been abducted by a madman.
No one's coming to save you, Bird. You can't escape your fate.
What is my fate according to you?
To be sacrificed for the greater good of humanity.
Jesus Christ. Is there a reason as to why this place is abounding in Nazi paraphernalia?
Most members of this group are Nazis.
Of course the insane human sacrificing cultists worship Hitler.
Thank you for bringing the ritual's final sacrifice to us, Archer.
No problem.
Why do you want to sacrifice me? I don't know any of you people, and I haven't done anything wrong.
In order for mankind to flourish, sometimes many people need to die. In this case, hundreds of millions must die, and that includes you.
How will my murder help mankind flourish?
Your death will bring about the deaths of all EOPs.
What is an EOP?
Cattle who do not know and refuse to learn Japanese.
Why would you want to kill everyone who doesn't know Japanese?
They insult the Yamato spirit.
I don't understand.
Of course you don't. You worked at a company that gives EOPs bastardized fan fictions of Japanese masterpieces.
I had no choice. I was destitute and desperate.
If you had had any honor, you would have remained destitute. Now, let's begin.
Please don't. I have so much to live for.
No, you do not.
Stop right there. I'm the only one who's allowed to kill Bird.
That was a fortuitous surprise. Now it is Lancer's turn.
Oh hell no. I am the greatest Irish hero Tehe ever lived. A winner lettered you, an Indian, or archer kill me.
I am not Jewish. I'm a pure-blooded Yamato.
Then why do you wear our kipper?
Because I am suffering from male pattern baldness. Archer, kill this Irish dog.
Ye aim te wrong way, dumbass.
What do we do now?
Get down on our knees and pray. Kire-sama.
Yes, it is me. Koto Mine Ki-rei. Why have you summoned me?
I want you to kill every single EOP on this planet.
Why would I do that?
Because they're evil, and since I summoned you, you are obligated to do whatever I say.
But I want evil to continue existing in this world, and I don't have to do anything you tell me to.
Why do you want evil to continue existing?
You don't know anything about me, do you? I am a sadist who can only feel happiness when I see others suffer.
How could I convince you to grant my wish?
You can't. In fact, this conversation has convinced me to translate all of Moreni's works into English. Why don't I translate K3 as well?
No! Come back here, you gaijin-loving whore. Under absolutely no circumstances can EOPs be allowed to read Kamige. Chise, are you alive?
Yes. But I will undoubtedly die soon. Is anyone else still alive?
I don't know. Probably not. But there's something very important I have to tell you, Chise. Lancer was right. I am not Japanese. I am Jewish. And my name is not Yukio, but Benjamin. I've affected this accent so often that it's become my real voice.
I figured as much. However, even though you are Jewish, you will always be my best friend and the greatest JSL in the world.
Thank you, Chise. I love you like I would a brother.
May we both be reborn Japanese in our next lives. And may I specifically be reborn as an attractive Japanese woman.
What?
Never mind.
What a dreadful nightmare. Make sure to check up on Emiya-kun after you've gotten home, Ryudo-kun.
I will, Lithfi-sensei.
Take care.
Thank you, Lithfi-sensei. And you as well.
Now I can meet with my 16-year-old girlfriend.
Hey Bird-sensei.
Vaping within school grounds is forbidden, Hiyori-kun.
Virtually all of the students have left to go home. It doesn't matter if I vape in an empty hallway.
You just blew your vape smoke into my face.
It's not smoke, that's why it's called a vape. Vape as in vapor. You'd think that a teacher would be intelligent enough to know this. And scientists don't even know the hazards of vape aerosol yet.
You've only been working here for a month, and yet this is the 16th violation you've committed thus far. I'm going to contact the principal and tell him to fire you. You clearly don't know how to behave yourself.
Whatever. I don't care.
No, you don't. You evidently don't care about anything at all.
Go have fun molesting your underage student girlfriend, you perverted twat.
Perfect timing, Bird. So-kun here just informed me of the illicit activities you've been getting up to with one of my students. Teenage girls are delicious, but since I hate you, I will be firing and reporting you to the police anyway.
Why? Why does almost everybody hate me? I'm a good man. I've never committed a single sin in my entire life. Except for being a womanizer who abandons my girlfriends the moment another woman captures my interest, but that doesn't count. Wanting to have sex with beautiful women isn't a crime. And the age of consent is a fake concept made up by ugly feminists anyways.
Bird Lithfi, someone has come to visit you.
Who?
Kizara Copley. She states that she is your former lover. Come out.
I am immensely grateful that you've come to visit me in spite of how our relationship concluded, Kisara. Though I must say, your appearance has changed considerably since the last time we saw each other.
Really? I don't think so.
Who are you? What have you done to Kisara?
What's the matter with you? I am Kisara.
No, you aren't. Police?
What's wrong?
My visitor is a pervert pretending to be my ex-girlfriend. Get him out of here.
You're quick-witted, Bird. But that's not enough to save you from me. Nothing is enough.
Who on earth are you? No. You can't be.
That's right. I am your new master. I've taken quite a liking to you, Bird. Your patheticness and misfortune have charmed me greatly. You'll be the perfect replacement for Lancer. You even have his beautiful blue locks.
What the fuck are you doing? Get your hands off of the wheel. The bus is going to crash.
Give me pussy or give all of us death.
It's getting worse. This fucking disorder.
This steak is delectable, Kirei. What kind of meat is it?
Irish dog.
I see. I'm surprised that a mongrel is satisfying my exceptionally sophisticated palate.
No matter how many times I eat it, it always tastes good. Take the dishes and clean them, Kiritsugu. Hello, bird.
Oh God, what do you want from me now?
Many things. But the first thing I want is for you to call me by my proper title.
I refuse. Who do you think I am? You may have defeated me for now, but I am Bird Liffey, a strong, handsome, intelligent.
Say it, or I will throw you into a world of hurt again.
Go ahead. A few electric shocks won't be enough to cow me. For I am Bird Liffey, eh?
Say it.
Never.
How about now?
No. I will never. Huh? What? What's going on? Kirei, what are you doing? By the blood of Jesus. Kirei. Oh God, oh God. What on earth is happening? I've never been this terrified in my entire life. What the fuck? Let me go. Where are you taking me? Why are you a bird? Just what in the absolute hell is happening?